All right, if you have a large motor like this, the V8s, the any V8s, they consume a lot of crank power. When you crank start the motor, it's going to consume a lot of energy. So every time I crank the alternator to recharge the battery, and it's the vehicle sits a lot long, so alternator recharge the battery, it works in the maximum capacity, right? So this is a power charger. As you can see, the battery. So I can connect this, and it's going to be keep my batteries alive. This one's another smart charger, right? Also, it's very good, up to 10 amp. It's going to charge the battery. This is a large capacity batteries, right? For the V8, the big the truck batteries. I'm going to show you to regenerate the dead batteries, all that stuff, right? My smart battery charger. But I'm going to tell you the plus and minuses on this video, right? On the next video, I'm going to show you how it regenerates